Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for tuning in. This video is part 2 of 2 from a video series that I'm making about the government ticket. So if you didn't watch the first part of the video, I would recommend that you first watch part 1, because this one is just the second part of that video. So when I ended the previous video, I was talking about the 2 exams that GCC candidates have to write. The first one being the plant exam, and the second one being the law exam. So the plant exam, I do have a paper in front of me. This is a plant exam. I hope it's clear enough, but you can get these things online. They are available. But it covers basically the technical, which is your electrical and mechanical knowledge. The syllabus consists of machinery like boilers, refrigeration systems, pumps, transformers, transmission lines. It's a very wide syllabus. That's one of the reasons some people find the GCC exam difficult, because it covers a lot of things. There's so many topics to learn and understand, and you are not sure which one will appear on the exam. Okay, so the second exam is the law exam, which is based on the Occupational Health and Safety Act. So basically it's the theory exam. It tests your knowledge and your understanding of the act. So you need to get the book called the Occupational Health and Safety Act, usually the latest edition, because that book keeps getting updated. It's the act together with its regulations. Again, it's a lot of regulations to learn. There's general safety regulations, general machinery regulations, electrical regulations, lifting equipment regulations, pressure equipment, and so on. It's a lot. I cannot cover it in this short space of time. But once you pass those 2 exams, then you have to take the acceptance letter that we had received from the Department of Labor, or if we're talking about the mines GCC, it's gonna be coming. You're gonna be receiving the letter from the Department of Mineral Resources, and then you take that letter together with the statement of results that is gonna be issued by the college where you wrote your exams. You combine those 2 documents, you send them back to the department that issued the letter, and then you wait for them to issue you with a certificate of competency. Like I said, there are 2 certificates of competency. There's a certificate of competency for mechanical engineers, and there's a certificate of competency for electrical engineers. Alright guys, I think I've covered the most important things that everyone needs to know when it comes to GCC application. We covered what is the GCC, we covered why is it needed, we covered the application process till the issuing or the awarding of the certificate. But if you need any further clarity, please feel free to leave the comments, ask the question in the comment section, and please do like the video. Please share the video with anyone who find it beneficial, or also please do subscribe to the channel so that the channel can grow. I'm intending to share other GCC videos as the time goes by, including the course content, more detailed and more like getting deeper into each topic, because it's a bit of a vast topic to cover in one short video. Alright, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the day.